Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Janeta, Polish girl living in Taiwan. In January, we not only enjoy cherry blossoms, but also witness the transformation of cypress trees. Today, we are in Hue, Yunlin County, where the cool weather has turned the landscape into a canvas of rusted orange. Let's embark on this scenic adventure. In Hue, there is a must-visit spot called Chimpu Porcupine Secret Land, located near the Hue Sugar Factory. Despite its small size, this area is a popular destination, drawing individual visitors and tour buses alike. Fortunately, we are blessed with fantastic weather, intensifying the beauty of the changing foliage. We took a stroll around and then we explored another familiar spot, only to find that it now charges a $100 entrance fee. While the location is undoubtedly gorgeous, I expressed my thoughts that the fee might be a bit steep solely for admiring trees and capturing pictures, especially when there are numerous free spots around Hue featuring bald cypress trees. Nevertheless, the garden attracted many visitors, despite the fee. No day is complete without some delicious food. While we didn't capture all our eats, we did try out a new place with delightful flavors and reasonable prices, adding a satisfying culinary experience to our day. And that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this journey through Hue and the vibrant cypress trees, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more adventures, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, bye!